Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have very interesting and very delicious authentic Hyderabadi bagare baigan recipe with you all, which is going to be very tasty and delicious. Do give it a try, and this recipe is going to be very unique and in a very delicious style. So let's get started with the recipe. For this, into a bowl add in 2 teaspoons of salt. Now add water at least 1 liter and give it a mix. So here I have 500 grams of brinjal taken for this recipe. You need to cut the top portion as shown in the video and cut half of the stalk as shown. You need to not totally chop off the top part, cut as shown in the video. Now put two cuts like this as shown in the video, and you can just check for if it is okay inside or does it have any worms this way. And now here we are going to use the brinjals as it is. We are not going to chop them into pieces for this recipe. I will cut all the brinjals this way as shown in the video. So here you can see I have got all the brinjals. Now you need to put it aside, and into a bowl add in 1/4 cup of roasted coconut, 1/4 cup of peanuts, this is also roasted, and 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. I have roasted all of them on a pan for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now add all of them into a grinding jar. Now into the same bowl add in 1/4 cup of seedless tamarind, and you need to wash it well so that any dust is removed, and add this turmeric as well into the grinding jar. This recipe is unique because you are not going to use the tamarind juice, but instead we are going to use tamarind this way by grinding it in a paste. Now after grinding it into a smooth paste, put it aside and heat a pan on the stove. Add half cup of oil into it and allow the oil to get heated. As the oil gets hot, add the brinjals into it. Cover it and cook on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see after about 3 to 4 minutes, the brinjals are fried up to 20 to 30%. Now fry it on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you need to take them out. This is authentic bagare baigan recipe, Hyderabadi recipe. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. Now in the oil that is left over, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, approximately half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 3 to 4 dried red chilies. Give it a mix, and before that you need to add few curry leaves as well. After cooking it for about a minute, add in 4 to 5 chopped green chilies. I have chopped them this way roughly. Fry it for about a minute. And now here I have roughly chopped tomatoes, approximately 1 cup of tomatoes. Also add chopped coriander leaves, and also you need to add 1 cup of fried onions or birista. So here give all the ingredients a good mix and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. After cooking them, now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about a minute. After cooking it for about a minute, you need to add dry spices like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt 1 teaspoon, and red chili powder 2 teaspoon. You can even use the masala according to your convenience and taste. Give all a good mix and cook for about a minute. After cooking it well, you need to add the grounded paste that we have just prepared and give all the ingredients a good mix. And now you need to continuously stir and cook the masala until the oil oozes from the side. This step is very crucial. Do not stop stirring it or mixing it well, otherwise it may stick to the bottom and burn. So here you can see the oil has been coming out well. This is the perfect stage. Now you need to add brinjals that we have just fried and give it a good mix, and add a half cup of water into it to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Now you need to give it again a good mix, top it with some chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves, cover it and cook on low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. After cooking it for about 5 minutes on low to medium flame, you can see our most delicious, tasty, authentic Hyderabadi bagara baigan is just ready to be served. Top it with some coriander leaves and serve hot with rice, roti, chapati or naan. This recipe tastes too good and is very delicious and one of the Hyderabadi special recipe. Do give this recipe a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section. And if you find my recipe interesting, do hit a like button, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.